Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 27. And I'm out at the Harbaugh Village. This is a new experience on Main Street. I'm sitting here with Carrie from Urban House Salon. Now, she's on Main Street every day, but she's out here at this cool pop-up doing some neat things that you wouldn't expect. Tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. So the hit has been Tinsel Hair. So we are putting strands in, people's hair, keeping it fun and festive. Very easy to take out if you don't like, but it's been a real hit. And we have some fun little gift items as well. So we're having, a great time here.
Yeah, and I noticed as you're walking in, you can see all the cool colors of hair that they're displaying outside for year-round fun. Nick's over here, taking care of putting some strands in right now. Yeah. Say hi, Nick, to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi.
How are you?
There you go.
Everybody.
Yeah, and here's some strands right here. You wanted to show them off, right? So here we go.
I think something important too is like when we have a salon, which is primarily that's our business. So we were trying to figure out how we fit into this concept, and we kind of re-examined, who we are as a brand, what Urban House means, and we kind of thought like if we were a boutique, what would we like to offer people? So that's kind of what you're going to find when you come in here. Not only just the tinsel, like the salon tie-in, but everything that we offer here is kind of sustainably sourced and locally done by small artisans and everything. And it's just kind of like some really, really neat, kind of unique gifts to come out and gift it out special to somebody for Christmas.
Love it. And it's different. I love it. And I like that it's sustainably sourced. So thanks for letting me intrude and barge in on you on opening night.
Anytime.
But, it's very cool. Thank you, Carrie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And our little models over here. So thank you very much. Yes. Again, I'm Nancy Kowalik, your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in New Jersey. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 27. Go make it a great day.